Good afternoon, everyone. A warm welcome to iLead's Digital Orientation 2020. Change is chance.
Now, the roles of the teacher and the role of the parents are changing. What are the new roles of the teacher or the parents? We have to basically inspire and motivate our children. Not say, not pass any comment which will demotivate them, which will make them feel small, which will reduce their self-esteem or confidence in themselves. This is we do a lot of time unknowingly. We should not do that. See, the whole purpose of this parent orientation or parent meet is that we want to be on the same platform.
Parents orientation is very good. We are convinced from the teachers, and I hope that my daughter will do well.
She'll come up.
আগামী 3 বছরে আমার আশা আইলিড ওর স্বপ্ন পূরণ করতে সাহায্য করবে।
तो मेरी भी यही इच्छा है कि मेरा बेटा भी वहाँ पर अपने लाइफ में ये मल्टीमीडिया एनिमेशन जो लेके कर रहा है अपने लाइफ में स्टैंड कर सके।
I would like to thank the iLead management for the wonderful parents orientation program which was held yesterday. Though it was for the first time I was attending an online orientation program, but it was really a very good and informative session from the management and Mr. Pradeep Chopra.
As you're about to start a new and very important chapter of your life, we understand that deep within your heart reside mixed emotions. At iLead, you will learn new lessons, develop specialized skills, interact with most reputed people in the industry, and become future ready under the watchful eyes of our esteemed mentors. In the process, you will make new friends, explore new possibilities, and discover your talents like never before.
I am excited too.
Mine, I need t-shirt. We will be soon wearing it.
This year, we have embraced the change, the new normal, and present to you our first ever digital orientation program, Change is Chance 2020.
We are on the threshold of a educational revolution which is going to happen, and you will witness, you will be the first batch, most fortunate batch to witness this. You know, what is going to happen, you can't even imagine. We are already working of embedding the best of the best courses offered by the top foreign universities like MIT, Harvard, Kellogg's, Wharton, Cambridge, Oxford in our curriculum. It is going to, you will be, benefiting this. Part of your curriculum from this year onwards will have some of these courses offered by Coursera. You will get a certificate from these universities like MIT, Harvard, Kellogg's, Wharton, and the money for doing this will be paid by us. So no burden on you. Otherwise, such courses cost about $270, $280.
In your life, you will come across people who are difficult. And I think I'm going to end with this. In your life, you'll find, hey, I can't get along with that teacher. I can't get along with that guy. I can't get along with that boss is going to be your refrain after 4 or 5 years. I mean, that's one thing that you need to learn how to adjust. There are several books that have been written on that. There are several thoughts and ideas and gyan that is available in it. I've learned that if you are able to put yourself in the other shoes and look at things from their perspective, and that's very important. You'll find difficult people everywhere, in the family and everywhere. Now, this is a strict 2 hours lecture in one of my negotiation classes when I teach how to deal with adversities and with people you don't get along. You don't have to learn everything in life by your own mistakes. you have to learn from others' mistakes also. You don't have to do things which sound, oh my God, let's do this. Let's get smoke out here, there, everywhere. Don't do it. Don't do it. It just makes no sense. It's not good in the short run. It's not good in the long run. It's not good for anybody. Don't do it. Don't learn from your mistakes. Learn from others' mistakes. But at the same time, you are at an age in life where you need to grow, learn, enjoy the classrooms, enjoy the learning, contribute towards it. So don't lose out on enjoyment. Don't lose out on the basics of life. Have fun. Meet out your friends. Meet out with families. The government has not said you don't go out. All the government is saying that do social distancing. And I think you should respect that, because it's good for you, good for the society, good for the planet. So do social distancing and definitely do distance socializing. I congratulate the students once again for taking this decision. And I think I'm on time. And I wish you all the best and do well in whatever you do in life. And all the very best. Thank you so much.
I want to know your intros.
আমি সৌরদীপ গড়াই, আমি কমার্সের স্টুডেন্ট। আমি বিবিএ পড়ার জন্য আইলিটে ভর্তি হয়েছি। আমার কিছু ইচ্ছা আছে, সেটা আমি মনে করি যে আইলিটে এসে সফল করতে পারবো আমি, তাই।
I am a movie freak. আমি সেলফ ডিপেন্ডেন্ট হতে চাই, বা আমি নিজে আর্ট করতে চাই, এবং আমি আমার ড্রিমগুলোকে অ্যাচিভ করতে চাই।
Apart from studies, I love photography and videography.
Hey, it's Kinjal Chakraborty here. You can call me Dead Drop.
And I have a dream of becoming a journalist someday.
I'm a wildlife photographer.
And now that I've joined iLead, the game is on.
And eating, which is my favorite hobby, which gives you energy to do everything.
For me, art is the experience of what you've felt inside.
I'm Ratan Sagar Pandey and I'm a 20-year-old startup enthusiast and keen towards solving new problems.
What you just saw is just a little bit from me, and I hope to show you more.
I am a theatre actor, a theatre performer.
I can make you laugh every time, every day, whenever you want.
और रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं।
I am a very warm, friendly and affirming person by nature.
And also I'm a Google certified digital marketing expert, and also I have black belt in martial art.
I have a fear of speaking since childhood, and I really hope that I can overcome to this fears.
Sketching, playing virtual games, and also watching cartoons are part of my hobbies.
My childhood dream was to be an animator, and it's going to come true.
And I'm very excited about meeting people. And I hope I do my best. Thank you.
This is Simon Rosario joining us live from Australia. And I think he's a veteran in the culinary field whose passion, hobby, everything is related to cooking.
So let's start the process, the recipes which we are going to do today. So first things, we are going to do a Maggi pizza. Just fill the cup with water. We need to boil the water first. We will put the Maggi masala first. Just break it like this, 2 pieces. Drop it in the water. This Maggi will be ready. I will pour this mixture in this pan and will prepare the base. So here our base is ready. Once everything, the topping is done, we'll put in the pan back again, and we will cover the pan and we'll cook it for some more time. Remove it from the pan, put it on the plate slowly. Here is your first pizza ready with the cheese.
We are moving on to the next session, which is full of fun, excitement, and a lot of games, adventures.
We'll be playing a song, and that song will contain
one or more objects. Go and find that object in your house, okay? Click a selfie and post it to the main group, that is iLead 2020, iLead Orientation 2020, with your name and group's name.
छोटे छोटे शहरों से खाली भोर दोपहरों से हम तो झोला उठा के चले बारिश कम कम लगती है, नदियाँ मध्यम लगती है, हम समंदर के अंदर चले। ओहो हो हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे, हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे।
कस के जूता कस के बेल्ट खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट, मंजिल को चली सवारी, कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी। दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो।
Okay, so I'll ask Avijit to start the presentation and I'll start with the timing then.
It is made up of 3 layers: the hypercool inner layer, the multi-layered cartridge, and engineered outer layer, which contains filters to protect us from the pollution or the other coronavirus droplets.
iConnect is high-speed internet and data service which is delivered through a wireless local service area or wide area network.
Okay, so your time starts now.
We are from Para Group. Para Group is the leading garments manufacturer in Eastern India.
उठाऊं गिरते गिरते मैं चट्टान से, हालात जैसे भी हो रहता अपने शान से, मुझे ना फर्क बातें करते मेरे पीछे जो, हाँ वो भी सुन रहे हैं रैप ये ध्यान से। कमाए लोग मैंने हर गली मोहल्ले में, अब मुझको प्यारे हैं वो लोग सारे जान से।
न आए हो न आओगे, न फोन पे बुलाओगे, न शाम की करारी चाय लबों से यूं पिलाओगे। न आए हो न आओगे, न दिन ढले सताओगे, न रात की नशीली बाय से नींद में जगाओगे। गए तुम गए हो क्यों, रात बाकी है, गए तुम गए हो क्यों, साथ बाकी है, गए तुम गए, हम थम गए, हर बात बाकी है, गए क्यों।
कांति के वो जोगी भिखारी, कांति के वो जोगी भिखारी, नीरवे शे दाराइले शे, नीरवे शे दाराइले প্রখরতে তব নিহারিতে নারী, অরুণ কান্তিকে গো যোগী ভিখারি।
याद तिहर मोरा मन तर पावे, सारी नींद नावे, याद तिहर मोरा मन तर पावे, सारी नींद ना
रात हारी दो नैनों के दीप जलावे जलू तेरे प्यार में ओ करूं इंतजार तेरा किसी से कहा न जाए ना ओ सावरे तेरे बिन जिया जाए ना ओ सावरे तेरे बिन जिया जाए ना
तेरे बिन जीना हो ऐसी दिल धड़काना हो जैसी इश्क है क्या दुनिया को हम समझाए कैसे हाँ दिलों की राहों में हम कुछ ऐसा कर जाएं एक दूजे से बिछड़े तो सांस लिए बिन मर जाएं ओ खुदा बता दे क्या लकीरों में लिखा हमने तो बस इश्क है किया
কোনো মোর মেঘেরও সঙ্গী উড়ে চলে দিক দিগন্তের পানে নিঃসীম শূন্যে শ্রাবণ বর্ষণ সঙ্গীতে রিমিঝিম 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 কোনো মোর মেঘেরও সঙ্গী উড়ে চলে দিক দিগন্তের পানে নিঃসীম শূন্যে শ্রাবণ বর্ষণ সঙ্গী